Hi guys, welcome back to Crafts for Life, and today in this video, it's gonna be like a story time, I guess. But so we just hit a very bad snowstorm yesterday, which was Friday.
And windstorm.
Very wind, 40 miles per hour winds. It was so strong, the whole entire, almost like my whole town, almost everybody I know has no power because of the winds. And there were 40 miles per hour going like all night, and they were like trees fall. My aunt's house, they how many trees fell?
About 10 to 20.
On her property.
Many on the house, holes on the roof, holes on the side of the house.
But the thing is, they just got the roof done
2 months ago.
So the guys are outside working on getting those trees and stuff like that. So
we have a generator.
Yeah, the generator just ran out of gas, of course it did. And nobody has power. All the gas stations are closed. Everything is just shut down. Everything's canceled. And I have nothing to do. I have no Wi-Fi. I have nothing, no TV, no nothing. So I decided to do crafts that I haven't finished. So I don't really have much, but like I bought these socks 2 years ago to do a craft on. I never got to. Or I bought white shoes and I never got to them. So I decided, why don't I catch up on crafts that I haven't done? So, sorry if there's bad lighting, but because, of course, the power's out. We're trying to get the generator back up again. But, so I decided, I know I had a project like these. I did, like, 2 years ago, and they fit me. All last year, all that year before that. So this year, I decided to make another pair. So, it's basically, I think I did a video on this, I'm not sure. But I took white pair of shoes from the craft store or wherever, and then I colored them in Sharpie, and I covered them in alcohol, which I just did, so they're like wet, and then they like return like all these colors that you colored in. It looks really, really cool. And so now I decided, if I'm just gonna look plain like that, why don't I add Mod Podge, because it dries clear. So why don't I add Mod Podge, and then I can add some glitter on top. So I thought, oh yeah, let's do that. But I can't really like make slime or make squishies or anything like that because we had no light. We don't really have water if there's no electricity. So I can't really like do much. So that's basically it. So I just decided, oh, let me just catch up on all the crafts I haven't finished. So yeah, so the people are working outside. It's just a crazy day, and I'm gonna do the Mod Podge now. And then afterwards, I'm probably either gonna like do like a crochet or maybe like
Bracelets.
Bracelets. I could work on I could do a lot of stuff because we have like this whole wall over here. So there's more craft stuff in the back, like duct tape and like paint and stuff. And then that box is for slime, that box is for slime, that's for slime, and that's for slime. And then this is all my squishies. And then we have more like felt over here. But this is slime drawer, books, bath bombs kit, my foam, more bracelet stuff.
All right.
And yeah, it goes on and on. But so I'm going to do my Mod Podge. So, it's like, I don't even know if this is, I don't know. It's
Is
like,
it still liquidy?
Somewhat, I don't know. Looks like that. I could
Well,
try it.
give it a try.
Oh yeah, I think the top is dry. It's just
okay.
The bottom is good. I hope this will turn dry white. I'm not sure. Oh, and if you're wondering, the table we put away and we just filled it with bed because my aunt, she didn't want to sleep upstairs in case another tree had fallen and it was really heavy and it would fall on her bedroom. So she brought down her mattress. You could explain it.
Yep, and we slept down here. Closed the door
and
slept with blankets.
And it was basically going on all night. And so right, like the town, like I'm on the border of my town, and then there's another town right next to us, and that town had a transformer. If you don't know what a transformer is, I didn't know what it either is, but until I just learned until like yesterday. But it's basically one like main source of power lines. I don't know. That's what I was told, so I'm not sure. If you know what it is, just comment down below. But basically that's that, and I basically that blew up. Oh, my hand's purple now. It blew up in town, so like that town is evacuation and emergencies and stuff. So yeah, shout out to my cousins, Anthony, if you're watching this. Let me think. Who else would like a shout out?
How about your crazy cousins?
Oh my god. Yes. This, you know, if you're not one of my cousins, it won't make sense to you. But if you are one of my cousins that's watching it, then, yeah, the crazy cousins. Go follow, my slime Instagram, which is silly_slimies with 2 E's and 2 Z's. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure to subscribe if you like these videos. And what else? Oh, shout out to my best friend Bridget. What else should we do? If you would like a shout out, just comment down below. And I am doing a giveaway, so remember, all you have to do is be a subscriber. Comment down below why you think you should win that giveaway. And we're giving away this really good crunchy blue slime, and then a stress ball, 2 squishies, and did I do anything else? I'm not sure. Alright, I'm gonna sprinkle it.
Go back to the live video and see.
Yeah, you'll see everything in the live video, so just be
We
sure
only
to check
have
that
one.
out if you're interested.
We only posted one live video.
Yeah, so.
Alright, so now you're putting the glitter on it?
Yeah. I'm not gonna put like a lot.
What color?
This is gold. Should I do blue?
Do whatever you want.
I'm not sure what I should do. Because what would look good on it?
Gold, green, blue.
Okay, where's that cat? Okay, look. I'm doing white as well because it's galaxy, so.
You have white glitter?
Yeah. It's gonna look really cool. In like a video in the summertime, since it's not the summertime like right now, it's March, beginning of March. So I'm gonna go get some more glitter. So just follow me.
It was in that cup. It was in the
No, the glitters are in here.
Yeah, I know, but the glitters that you used the other day are in the cup, but that's alright.
I don't need those. I'm gonna get like a blue and like a pink. So I'll just bring it home because I need light. So.
Oh my.
Oh my god.
Go pick that up. We're gonna pause the video right now.
No.
Go pick it up. We're back.
We're back. So. Okay, open, but okay.
Whoa, that's cool.
Ooh, should I use black? I'm gonna use black. This is gonna be very glittery. Ooh, that looked cool.
Yeah.
I wonder when we're gonna get power back.
I don't know. I don't think anytime soon because they're not estimating. It still says we're still assessing it.
Well, they're on the way here. We saw so many trees down. Oh my god. I'm gonna add some more Mod Podge. It does not seem to be sticking. But do we have any more?
There goes the chipper. You hear the chipper in the background.
more funny stories we have?
Whoop, I just moved. Should I show the chipper?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Oh, we have a funny story about this bug over here. So this bug, right here, we haven't, that's been there ever since Craft for Life started, and it's really funny. And it's really funny because we always thought it was alive and it just stayed in one spot. And it's really funny. We're like, oh my god, it's still there. The bug's still there. Oh my god, it was just actually dead.
Get over that. Get back over there. Get back over there. Come on, get this tree and the chipper.
So it's been staying there ever since. It's really funny.
There you go. Eat her up. Eat them up.
I decided to just post now because there's nothing really much to do. So, yeah. Alright, let's see another color I can do. Ooh, I found the perfect blue. Oh my god, my hands are purple. Some of these are super hard to open and some of them aren't.
Just be careful.
Yeah.
You know, you're getting them on your pants and you're going to end up getting them everywhere.
It's okay. My pants are fine.
It's not okay. But that really does look like a cool sneaker.
I want to know how it's going to look at the final product. Next shoe.
Nice. All
And
right.
if you have any
And you're going to do the same with the next one.
Yay! And if you have any other videos, like requesting videos, like, oh, I should do another vlog, or I should do another craft video, or a DIY, or maybe a hack video, I don't know. But, comment down below what you think I should do my next video on. But, I'll see you next time on Crafts for Life, and I don't know if I'm going to have school on Monday, but, alright, don't forget to enter that giveaway if you want to win. Go follow me on Instagram at silly_slimies, 2 E's, 2 Z's. And I'll see you next time on Craft for Life. Bye!